how to fix 0 views on TikTok. So all you have to do is to proceed here directly to your TikTok application. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. Click on your profile. Now here, what you're gonna do is on the upper right, you click on the 3 dash lines there and tap on settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, go here to the account section and go to privacy. Now here on privacy, make sure that you have toggled off the account private account to make your account public, and then anyone in TikTok community can see your video. Now, the other way that you might have overlooked is when you post the a content, right? So on the bottom part, tap on the plus sign here, and let's say you wanna, or let's say let's just create a content, a video rather. Just long press on that, click on that, and let's just create a video here. And then what you're gonna do next is tap on the check mark here. Let's just mute this one. After that, tap on the next. And then here, before posting it, make sure to just use the latest trends, latest hashtags there. So say you can have hashtag Cupca or you can have hashtag FYP. Now this will actually help you boost your videos, and of course if you have a specific vibe on your content, it will reach specific people who are into that type of content too. For example, you're into technology, then tap on technology here. And then next will be here under you who can see your post. So as you can see, make sure to set it to everyone can view this post. So it might be because you've only set it to only you, or you've set it to only friends, or so you have to make sure that you have set it to everyone so that you can fix the 0 views on your TikTok and basically just post it there. And basically later on, and basically that is how you fix 0 views on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.